Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can clear search history on YouTube. The steps are really simple and easy, so let's get started. First of all, you need to open up your Play Store app. From here, tap on the search bar and search for YouTube. Then, tap on YouTube app. From here, make sure your YouTube app is updated. If it's not, then update your app. You want to have the latest version of YouTube since the app has some changes in its latest version. So once it's updated, open your YouTube app. From here, tap on Profile on the top right corner. From here, scroll down and tap on Settings. And after that, you will get to see Manage All History from here, so tap on it. Then, select the account from where you want to delete your watch history. Wait for it to load up. And as you can see on this page, if I scroll down, I will get to see all my history. So tap on Delete. Here you will get to see three options: Delete Today, Delete Custom Range, and Delete All Time. So I'll tap on Delete All Time. From here, you need to tap on Delete on the bottom right to confirm, and then just tap on OK. As you can see, our deletion has been completed. So that is how you clear search history on YouTube.